about me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hi, welcome to today's tutorial. My name is Bliss. Today we'll be making a basic bikini top. The tutorial will follow the sizes. We'll follow the size small, but I'll list all the different sizes and measurements. What I'll be using today is a 4.5mm crochet hook, as well as a tapestry needle. You'll also need a measuring tape and a scissors. Okay, so to begin, we'll make a slip knot. Then we'll make enough chains to cover the measurement required for the size that you're going for. I'm doing a small, so I'm aiming for 6 to 6.5 inches. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So try to end on an odd number. Now that we're done with these chains, we're going to skip the stitch closest to the hook and go into that second chain and make a single crochet. We'll make single crochets in each chains until the end. Alright, now that we're done with our single crochets in that first round, for the next round we will chain 1, turn our work, then place a half double crochet into each stitch. So 1 half double crochet into each stitch across. Let me check the end of this round. When we're done with these half double crochets, we chain 1, turn the work, and then 1 half double crochet in each stitch across once more. I'll meet you at the end of this round. 1 half double crochet into each stitch across. Now, from here on out, we'll be decreasing every other round. So chain 1, turn. We'll make a decrease of the half double crochet. How I do my decreases is to yarn over, then I go into that first stitch, yarn over, pull through. I have 3 on the hook, then I yarn over again, go into that second stitch, yarn over, pull through. I now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops on the hook, and then yarn over and pull through all the loops. Then I continue to put half double crochets into each stitch across until the last 2 of this round, where I will decrease once more. So here I'm at the last 2, yarn over, go into that second to last stitch, pull through, 3 on the hook, yarn over, go into that final stitch of this round, pull through, 5 on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 5 loops, chain 1, turn our work, and then in this round we'll go with 1/2 double crochet in each stitch across. Then once you're done with the 1/2 double crochet in each stitch across, for the next round, chain 1, turn, then we'll decrease in the first 2 stitches once more, and in the final 2 stitches of this round once more. Then the next round we do 1/2 double crochet into each stitch, so we'll be alternating. Every other round we decrease. Okay, so I don't really know, like I don't have a measurement like lengthwise. I just know that once you get the width right, then it would match up. So I just keep alternating the decreases every other round until I'm down to like 1 standing stitch. So this is another decreased round here. And then this would be, so with here now, in this final part here, if you want it to be longer, you can let this be a single 1/2 double crochet round, 1, 2, then you do the final decrease up top. Or if you want it to be like short, like you want it to be shorter, then you would just finish by doing 2, like completing the decreases here. So I'll show you the longer way. So that's 1/2 double crochet, then another 1/2 double crochet. Hold on. Chain 1, then I do the decrease here. And then that's it for this part of the cup. If you don't want it to be stretchy, as I said, you wouldn't do these last, I think this is last 2, 3 rows. You just finish the decreases here. Let me show you. I've never really checked this part before, but it's about maybe between 13 to 15, depending on if you did these extra steps here. So now we're on to finishing the sides. For the sides, we go in, you attach the yarn, same color as the body, or whichever, it all depends. You just attach the yarn here, you go in with a single crochet. So we're going to place single crochets right across the border of the bikini. Border by putting a single crochet right around the end. For the top, you can place like 3 single crochets in the top so that the center can be where you attach the strap for around the neck, or you can just put a single crochet and continue around. It's all up to your preference. So keep doing so and I'll meet you here. Right, so this is how my bikini top is looking so far. So I'm going to change colors here. You don't have to, but I will. So I'm just gonna cut this. You would chain one as well, but don't cut your tail if you're not changing colors. Okay, so I changed colors the same way I attached the yarn here. I'm going to that first single crochet, that last single crochet there, and I attach the yarn. Okay, so I chain one here, and I will be doing a crab stitch, or is like a single crochet in reverse. So I'm going to skip that first single crochet there. I go into that second single crochet, pull through, so it's single crocheting but backwards, like you're stepping backwards. Yeah, that's how you get the crab stitch. Putting a crab stitch or a single crochet in reverse into each stitch until here, and I'll meet you there. You can also, if you want this color down at the bottom, your second color, you can just, when you reach here, you can go right across with one row of single crochets. So I'll meet you here. Okay, so this is one cup so far. Now I'll do the strap for around the neck here. So I put it in the beneath that center stitch here. I attach the yarn, then secure it, then I chain for as long as needed. You should estimate for your size that you're doing. I go for about 70 chains, so you can check with your size and then see what's best for you and your neck support. If you have like heavier bosoms, then you could, after you chain the desired length of chains, you could maybe do a single crochet into each chain, come back down here to give like a stronger hold so that this chain doesn't dig into your neck. Yeah, repeat this once more, this entire thing, starting with the chains across and the single crochet, and the amount of standalone half double crochets for your size, then alternate every other decreasing. Then you do the crab stitch or reverse single crochet around, then attach the strap for the neck. So repeat that and I'll meet you here again. Okay, so now we have 2 cups here. To finish off, you can use either white or orange to stitch these two together. Then we make an orange strap, well, whatever color you're using, but this is my secondary color. I'm using my secondary color to make a strap to fit the circumference of the size that I'm making. Now that I have the strap here, what I'll do is to insert the strap along this single crochet line here. So this is the first single crochet. I'm going to skip that. You can put it on, you can either attach it to your tapestry needle or on this hook. You pull through. You can decide how many you're skipping. If it's 1 or 2 single crochet, you skip each time. it's up to you. So you just keep doing so just keep running it in, like under, over. Same thing, you go across here and do it until the end of on this side. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope that this tutorial was informative and that you were able to make your own version. Don't forget, you can share your finished work with me. You can tag me or share it with me on any social media platform. Till next time, bye bye.